Okay, it's almost Halloween and we're gonna harvest this big pumpkin here. What do you think, Skylar?
Big pumpkin.
Yeah, it's big. Okay, let's get started. Let's go. Are you ready to cut the pumpkin off?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go ahead. Help Daddy. Okay, let's come down here. It's back here. You ready? It's right here. Help us cut it. Okay, how about your finger? Almost there. Almost there, honey. Oh, we got it. Okay. Someone's eating it. It's pretty good though. Look, it's not rotten. It's all flat. See? Everybody, it looks pretty good. She's a beast. She is a beast. Ugh. I would say this is over 100 pounds. An animal also ate it here too. So this is it. We couldn't wear the scale, didn't do its job. I thought it might work, but all in all, she's a beast. Skylar had fun. That's all that counts. As long as Skylar had fun, that's all I care about. Happy Halloween.
I think you should turn it sideways. There you go. That's good.